Solution to problem number 1. So from given data, we know that y product of ordinate into slope is equal to abscissa. That is the given condition. That means y dy by dx is equal to x. So from this y, dy is equal to dx. I mean x dx. Integrating on both sides, y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus c or plus a constant. This passes through the point that is given as 4, 2. So in place of x write 4, in place of y write 2. 4, 2 square, 4 by 2, 2. 16 by 2, 8 plus k. From this we can get k equal to minus 6. So if you substitute that, we can get x square minus y square equal to 12, which represents hyperbola. This is hyperbola. So we can get the fourth option as the answer. Problem number 2. Given slope dy by dx equal to x minus a divided by y minus b. So y minus b into dy is equal to x minus a into dx. Integrating, we can get y minus b whole square divided by 2 is equal to x minus a whole square by 2 plus k. Passes through 0, 0. Therefore, equation is x square minus y square equal to 2 into ax minus by. Solution to problem number 3. Given subnormal equal to constant. Subnormal means y by m is equal to constant. M is dy by dx. So y is equal to k dy by dx. So we can write this as dx by k is equal to dy by y. Integrating on both sides, x by k is equal to log y plus log cy, right? And we can write this as log cy is equal to x by k. And from this cy is equal to e power x by k. Even if you write c that side, then there is no problem. You can write capital C into e power x by k, which is the solution for the problem. To problem number 4. So dE for the curve is dy by dx minus x by y equal to 3y we can get. This is the linear differential equation. So integrating factor is given by e power integral minus 1 by y dy. This is minus log y e power. So the integrating factor is given by 1 by y. So we write solution. X by y is equal to integral 3y divided by y dy. So after taking the integration, we can get x by y is equal to 3y plus k. This passes through. This passes through. It is given the curve is passing through the point 1, 1. So if you write x equal to 1, y equal to 1, this is 1, this is 3. So k value equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 3y square minus 2. Now the point through which the curve is passing is given by, we can do the problem by verification. So y equal to 1 by 3 implies x equal to minus 1 by 3. So this is observed in the second option, which is the answer for the problem. Solution to problem number 5. It is given that length of the normal equal to radius vector. So length of normal is given by y into root of 1 plus m square. Radius vector is given by root over x square plus y square. Squaring on both sides and simplifying, you can get 1 plus m square equal to x square by y square plus 1. By cancelling, you can get like this. M can be written as dy by dx. From this we get dy by dx equal to plus or minus x by y. So we can get y dy is equal to plus or minus x dx. So if you take plus x, you can get x square minus y square equal to c. If you take minus, you can get x square plus y square equal to c. So by integrating, we can get the curve as x square plus or minus y square is equal to c. To problem number 6. It is given that subtangent is equal to square of the reciprocal of the square of the abscissa, 1 by x square. Subtangent is given by y by m. Y by m is given by 1 by x square. From this we can get y is equal to 1 by x square into m can be written as dy by dx. So you can get x square dx is equal to dy by y. And integrating, you can get log cy is equal to x cube by 3. So cy is equal to e power x cube by 3. If you write this c to that side, we can make this as y is equal to capital C into e power x cube by 3. This is the solution to problem number 7. So it is given for any curve, normal at any point forms an isosceles triangle. This is tangent, this is the normal. Normal should form an isosceles triangle with the line joining origin to the point with x-axis as base. So if you take this as P and this as N, we can write that OP is equal to Pn. OP is distance between 2 points. You can get x square plus y square under root. This is length of the normal. Length of the normal is given by y into root of 1 plus m square. So after this we can get dy by dx is equal to x by y will get. Say from this we can get x square minus y square is equal to c after integrating. This represents rectangular hyperbola. To problem number 8. Given slope equal to ratio of abscissa to ordinate. Therefore dy by dx is equal to x by y. So y dy is equal to x dx. So we will get x square minus y square equal to 2k. This is rectangular hyperbola. Solution to problem number 9. So it is given normal meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. So I will write the equation of normal. At x1 comma y1 is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So we can get x plus my equal to x1 plus my1 will get. If you write y equal to 0, you can get OA distance. So OA is equal to x1 plus my1. If you write x equal to 0, you get OB distance. OB is equal to x1 plus my1 by m. Now replace x1 with x and y1 with y. You can write the value 1 by OA plus 1 by OB is equal to 1. To write this, you replace x1 with x and y1 with y. You can get this as 1 plus m is equal to x plus my, we can write. After replacing x1 with x and y1 with y, substituting, we can get this. From this we can get m is written by dy by dx. So y minus y1 into dy is equal to minus of x minus 1 into dx. And after integrating, you can get this as x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to a constant. That is the answer. Solution to problem 10. First we write the equation of normal. So the equation of normal at any point x1 comma y1 on the curve is written by y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So after simplification, we can get x plus my is equal to x1 plus my1. It is given that the perpendicular distance from the origin to the normal is equal to perpendicular distance from 0, 0 to normal equal to distance of P from y-axis, distance of P from x-axis. So perpendicular distance mod c by root of a square plus b square. So x1 plus my1 divided by root of 1 plus m square is equal to mod y1. And after simplifying, you can get dy by dx because m is replaced with dy by dx, x1 is replaced with x, y1 is replaced with y. You can get this as y square minus x square by 2xy. Put y equal to vx to solve the equation. And after solving the equation, you can get x square plus y square equal to 2x because the curve is passing through 1 comma 1. After solving the equation by using y equal to vx, and if you substitute 1 comma 1, you can get the equation x square plus y square equal to 2x, which is the required. Tangent at any point P meets y-axis at N, and the line through P parallel to y-axis meets x-axis at N. Area of triangle MON is constant, and we are supposed to write the differential equation. This is solution to problem number 11. Now we write the equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now in this we write, because we want to know the coordinates of n, so I am going to write y equal to x equal to 0 there. So y minus y1 is equal to minus m into x1 will get. So y point, this can be written as, that means ON distance can be written as y1 minus m into x1. This is given by x1 comma 0. So area of triangle MON is given by constant. So half into OM into ON is equal to constant, that is given to us. So half into OM distance is known. I am writing that OM distance as x1, and I am writing this replacing, and y1 minus mx1 is equal to k. Now after this what I do is, I will replace x1 with x and y1 with y. If I replace x1 with x and y1 with y, I will get x into y minus x dy by dx equal to k. And after simplifying this, after you can get an equation like this, k by x. So y minus x dy by dx equal to k by x. So x dy by dx is equal to y minus k by x. So you get a linear differential equation. After solving the differential equation using linear differential equation, by solving, we get hyperbola equation. 12. A tangent at a point cuts the curve, meets the curve, meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Then the curve is not passing through origin. The portion of the tangent included between the axes is bisected by the point P. So that means we write the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So if you write first y equal to 0, if you write y equal to 0, you can get the value of x as, so a coordinates we can write, x value we should get. If y is written 0, you can get minus y1 here, minus y1 by m plus x. So we can write mx1, you write y equal to 0, minus y1 is equal to mx minus mx1. So you get this, x is equal to mx1 minus y1 divided by m. From this we got the coordinates of A as mx1 minus y1 divided by m, comma 0. And if you write x equal to 0 here, so you can get the coordinates of the 0, comma, if you write x equal to 0, minus x1, y1 will be there. So we can get y1 minus mx1. Given P is the midpoint of AB. We got A and B. So P is the midpoint of AB, we write P equal to midpoint of AB. So if you write the midpoint of this, y1 minus mx1 divided by 2 is equal to y1. From this we can get minus mx1 is equal to y1. And replace x1 with x, y1 with y, m with dy by dx. Minus dy by dx into x is equal to y. After integrating, you can get the condition xy is equal to k. This is rectangular hyperbola. You can simply write hyperbola. Problem number 13. So given dy by dx equal to x square minus 2y divided by x. So we can write dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to x. This is a linear differential equation. So integrating factor is given by x square. Y into x square is equal to, after doing the integration and substituting, we can get x square by 4 minus 9 by 4. After doing integration and substituting the given point, we can get this. This passes through root 3 comma 0. Solution to problem number 14. Given slope equal to sum of abscissa plus product of abscissa and argument. Slope is given by dy by dx minus x into y is equal to x. This is linear differential equation. Integrating factor is given by e power minus x square by 2. So solution is given by y into e power minus x square by 2 is equal to integral x into e power minus x square by 2 dx. By taking x square by 2 as c, we can get y into e power minus x square by 2 equal to e power minus x square by 2 plus k we can. This passes through. The point is given by 0, 1. So you can get the value, therefore y equal to 1 minus 1 plus 2 into e power x square by. After simplifying you can. Now solution to problem number 15. Equation of tangent at px1 y1 is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This cuts x-axis at A, y-axis at B. So we got A coordinates, B coordinates. Given PA to PB equal to 2:1. The ratio is given by x1 minus x is to x minus x2, which is 2:1. So x1 is x coordinate of A, x means x coordinate of P. By substituting you can get this condition. y1 by m is to x1 is equal to 2. Product of extremes equal to product of means we take. So product of extremes equal to product of means if I take, what I got is y1 by m. What I got is y1 by m is equal to 2x. So I will replace y1 with y, yx1 with x. So y is equal to 2x dy by dx. M should be replaced with dy by dx. So if I replace m with dy by dx, I can get that. And we can take, what is say, dx by x is equal to 2 into dy by y. So by integrating, you can get the curve equation in the form of, here you can get log x equal to 2 log y plus logs. So this implies you can get cy square equal to x, which is the solution of this particular 15th problem.